In September 2013, Muzaffarnagar and Shamli districts in western Uttar Pradesh witnessed one of the most destructive communal riots of recent years. Over 50,000 people, mostly Muslims, were displaced. More than 60 were killed, and there were reports of several women being gang raped. Seven women came forward to file complaints of gang rape in 2013 with help from activists and lawyers. After more than 3 years, these women still await justice. The women told Amnesty International India that they have faced harassment, threats, and intimidation from the accused men and their relatives. 3 of them changed their statements following threats. One died in 2016 during childbirth. In 2 cases, trials have not even begun.
From what these women told me, that the police is always questioning their statements, their accounts, kind of moralizing each time they say something. And from within the community, there is this kind of stigma that they're rape survivors. The accused come and pressurize them every single day.
Ghazala was gang raped in a sugarcane field in Lank, Shamli on 8th September 2013. Her home was looted and her family forced to flee to a relief camp. In 2016, she asked for her case to be transferred out of Muzaffarnagar. She told a trial court, "I am extremely apprehensive of coming to the Muzaffarnagar district court as the accused persons and their family members, who all belong to the dominant community, wield considerable influence in this area. I fear that harm will be caused to me and my family when I go to give my evidence in the Muzaffarnagar district court."
वही वो एरिया जहाँ वो लोग रहते हैं, वही वो एरिया, भले ही गांव बदल गया है लेकिन एरिया तो वही है। वहाँ उनका वर्चस्व है, उनका बोलबाला है, उनके थाने हैं, उनकी पुलिस है, उनके नेता हैं।
Bano filed an FIR about her gang rape in September 2013. The intimidation began soon after. She said that one of the suspects had issued a public threat to her, saying, "I will not let go of the person who filed a rape complaint against me. When that person goes to the court to give testimony, she will be shot." But the police did not immediately provide Bano with any protection. In March 2014, she wrote to the investigation officer, "The 3 accused men got out of a black car and started hurling filthy abuses at her and her son. All 3 accused were armed with tamanches hidden under their shawls. One of the men pointed the pistol at her son's temple, and the 3 men began threatening her, saying they would kill her, her son, and other members of her family if she gave a statement against them. The 3 accused specifically told Bano that when she appears before the judge to give her statement, she should say that nothing happened to her and that she filed a false FIR. The 3 accused men left only after Bano agreed to act in accordance with their demand. When Bano recorded her statement before a magistrate some days later, she said that she could not identify the men who raped her. The police closed the case. On 1st May 2014, she filed a fresh statement in which she again named the men she said had raped her. But the harassment did not stop.
What is it that we are asking the women to do today? We are saying, yes, you must stand up in court in a rape trial and give evidence, and your dignity must be vindicated. But for that, what should she do? She should either put her own life or the life of her children or other family members at stake. Is that even a demand that should be made by the justice system?
In all 7 gang rape cases, the police took months to file charges. Even after they did so, trials have proceeded extremely slowly. Long delays in trials are common in India, but in recent years, there has been an increased emphasis on finishing trials involving violence against women within a reasonable time. In 2013, Section 309 of India's Code of Criminal Procedure was amended. Trials in rape cases have to be completed as far as possible within 2 months of the filing of a charge sheet. But the reasons for court adjournments in Ghazala's case show how repeated delays can hinder the right to justice. Advocates not at work. One of the accused is not present. One of the accused has asked for time to arrange a lawyer. Prosecution officer is on leave. Accused has asked for time to discuss charges. All three accused not present.
It was only after the contempt petition was filed that, just like we saw that after we filed the Supreme Court petition, people started getting arrested. When we filed the contempt petition again before the Supreme Court, charge sheets started to get filed. What does this indicate to us? That on its own, the state machinery is not working in favor of women victims.